Alice?
Fishing.
Fishing? Say hi.
Hi.
Let's go! Wala, meron. Ayun, meron, bro. Oh!
Higawan! Babe, more higawan!
Maliit na catfish.
Thank you, Lord.
There you go.
First catch!
Finally, after 5 years, oh.
Yes, sir.
Kailangan pa pumunta ng Winnipeg. You like that one, Kuya Ellis? There you go. Let's go! Another one. Wow, nalilitan ka lang ngayon, ha? Go, try. There you go. Oh, same.
Ito, man.
See? What's up, guys? Just got home. 4 ang nahuli namin. Now we're just gonna go eat some lunch.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now.